The 2015 X1. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, heated mirrors, power mirrors, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, security system, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, dual zone AC, 8 speakers, leather shift knob, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror. Based on the BMW 3 Series, the X1 is a compact crossover SUV, slightly smaller than the X3. The X1 gives you all the refinement, power, and style of other BMWs in a slightly smaller, sporty, and easy to navigate option. Your new ride is just a phone call away.